In this video, we will talk about the execute SQL package pattern. The execute SQL package runs SQL statements or stored procedures. It can contain either a single SQL statement or multiple SQL statements that run sequentially. The execute SQL task is one of the handier components in SSIS because it lets you run transact SQL statements from within your control flow. When using an ELT approach to data integration, the execute SQL package pattern will generally follow the data flows EL to perform the T transformations. We have already created one execute SQL package, so we will use it to demonstrate. For this package pattern, you will need to provide the package qualifier with a unique name, which will be sort of description of what this particular package does. The connection is a drop-down where you can choose the ODB connection. For the query field, you can use SQL statements, or you can use code generator, which will auto-populate the query field based on the built-in T-SQL code generators. Before using the table partitioning code generators, you will first manually need to create the table's associated partition function and scheme. For more information on this task, see the link in the description box. In addition, for the BimlSnap code generators to work, the partitioning column must be defined as a date data type, and all indexes for the table need to be partitioned aligned. By clicking the Query Config Fact Table Partition button, the new form will appear. Select the partitioned source table schema and table. Check if you want to truncate switch-in table on load, which is recommended, and populate the date-based partition scheme. After that, click Save, and the query will be generated during the next build. Note that for this to work properly, your BimlSnap metadata must be up to date. After you have used the code generator, you will not be able to manually type a new query, but you will have a chance to change the one that was generated. By clicking on the Open Query Configuration Table button, a form that you have previously used for the query will open, and there you will be able to change any needed fields. After that, click Save, and the query will be regenerated. Then click Save again, and that section will be updated. For any additional changes, click the package that you want to change in the list box, and it will open the populated form with the data that we have already provided and saved. Also, as in the previous video, there is a query history option if the query was manually added. That by clicking on the button lets you to see any of the query expression that was saved within this package, and you can copy and paste it into the query field and update the package. You can change any of the provided data and update that package. Also, you can clone the whole package by clicking the clone button, and by clicking the delete button, the package will be deleted.